Hi, this is Niecy's Closet here. Today I'm going to show you how to do the moss stitch, and it's also called the granite stitch. And I'm just going to show you a sample. What we're going to do right now, I'm using a I 5.5 needle. And this is how you do the moss or granite stitch. I'm gonna chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna single crochet. Then I'm gonna chain 1, skip the next chain, and do a single crochet across the row. Chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet. Chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet. Chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet at the end. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. And I'm going to single crochet in the chain 1 spaces, meaning here and here. I'm not going into the single crochet stitch. So I'm going to single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and single crochet in the chain 1 space. Single crochet, chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1. Single crochet, chain 1, and then I'm gonna single crochet in the chain 2 space at the end. I'm gonna single crochet. Chain 2 and turn. Again, I'm gonna single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in every chain 1 space in the row. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 2 space. One more time. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. See how it's looking? This is the moss or granite stitch. Single crochet in the first chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space after that last single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. So this is the moss or granite stitch. And I do make washcloths with this stitch, with the cotton yarn. Very easy, very simple. I hope this was helpful to you. Until next time, bye.